Good evening and welcome to NYFP. This is your closing bell report for Monday, August 1st, 2011. The major U.S. stock averages ended Monday's trading session in negative territory. The Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 started out with a rally following news of the debt deal. At the same time, a weaker than expected ISM manufacturing reading pulled the major averages lower. And heading into the final hour of trade on Monday, the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 all recovered earlier session weakness. The Dow lost just minus 0.09% on the session to end the session at 12,133. And the Nasdaq Composite Index fell by minus 0.4% to close at 2745, while the S&P 500 also fell by minus 0.4% to close out the session at 1287. Now, amidst ongoing debt talks taking place in Washington, D.C., and ahead of the House vote taking place on Monday evening, jitters did remain. Now, in terms of the economic reading that pulled the markets lower, ISM manufacturing fell to two-year lows, falling to 50.9%. At the same time, construction spending for the month of June gained for the third straight month in a row. And taking a close look at company news, HSBC shares gained by over 1.5%, and this came as earnings for the banking giant came in better than expected, and as HSBC hiked its dividend. At the same time, HSBC did announce that it would be cutting over 25,000 jobs. And very quickly, moving on to the commodities market, both crude oil and gold futures ended lower. Crude lost nearly 1% on the session to close below $95 a barrel, while gold futures fell over 0.5% to settle at $1621.70 an ounce. And over in the foreign exchange market, the U.S. dollar ended on a mixed note, higher against the euro and pound, but weaker against the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. That does wrap it up for a closing bell report for Monday, August 1st, 2011. Thanks for watching and have a great evening.